What's up everybody, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13 and I am absolutely in love with this build. This is Victor's 2007 Toyota Corolla. That's right, I didn't stumble. It is an actual 2007 Toyota Corolla and it warranted the production of these absolutely beautiful, stunning headlights. I started with some OEM aftermarket replica housings and I did a Morimoto MD2S projector retrofit and I cleaned it up with a nice pair of MCR shrouds, which are actually the Mini Cooper shrouds. But they're very large shrouds and they filled up that reflector bowl very nicely, and honestly it matches the styling of that vehicle, so that's why I selected those. This is an absolute no frills OEM style retrofit. He wouldn't even let me remove the cheese slice in the corner. He said, I like the amber, I want to keep it. I'm just super honored that he chose me over all of the potential options for retrofitters all over the country, since this is a remote build, so I'm doing the build and shipping it to him. He was a longtime follower on my YouTube channel and seen a lot of my previous builds and chose me based on the quality of work and quality of components that I use. And so for that, I must say, Victor, thank you so much. This was an absolute pleasure to build. I think I knocked it out of the park. One other thing that we did on these is full PPF protection, so it's not like you're going to be able to see that, but these headlights are definitely on the top front of the vehicle, so they are susceptible to UV damage over time. And since we do not like that yellowing or fading or cracking or crazing, a little layer of PPF over that whole thing is going to protect it from the UV damage and make sure that his investment in these headlights is going to last a long time. Well, there's really only one more thing to do in this video, and that's to show off the actual headlight output. Now, those little acrylic inserts, you see those little dots that are in the MCR shroud, they aren't actually backlit illuminated with a halo, but it does allow some of the light bleed from the low beam to be able to come through, so that creates a cool effect. Again, I am running a 50 watt HID setup on this, so we're gonna have gobs and gobs of power, but power without control is not good, so this time we still have all of the control. I'm also using a foreground limiter on this, like is per the norm, and the output you're gonna see up on that wall is just beautiful. This is during the day and my shop lighting is on, but we still have an amazing crystal clean cutoff line and great output lighting, so this is just gonna be such a cool build for a 2007 Corolla. Hell yeah. So that's officially all I gotta say on this. It's a real simple, quick, easy, basic retrofit with PPF protection. Pricing and product information is gonna be in the video description. If you're interested in a build for yourself, please do not hesitate to reach out via the form on my website. The link to that website will also be in the video description. All build inquiries must be submitted via the form on the website. As always, thank you so much for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I will talk to you later. See ya!